Do you know? With the ACTi Wide Temperature Range Camera, you can not only withstand extreme heat and cold but also greatly enhance monitoring performance, at a price 30% to 50% lower than competitors. No more worries about high or low temperatures affecting your equipment. It will continue to deliver excellent performance even in extreme environments. Whether for factories, transportation, or public utilities, ACTi cameras provide unparalleled protection. Next, let's dive into the powerful features of this revolutionary product and see how it can elevate your security system. First, the ACTi Wide Temperature Range Camera operates reliably in extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. This means that whether in the freezing Arctic or the scorching desert, its performance remains unaffected, delivering year-round protection. Second, it offers an impressive resolution of up to 20 MP, providing crystal clear images. Whether monitoring factory interiors, traffic routes, or energy facilities, the high-definition images capture every detail. Third, the camera features up to 40x optical zoom, allowing you to clearly magnify distant targets from anywhere. From highway checkpoints to remote energy sites, this function lets you easily inspect every crucial detail. Additionally, the IR range reaches up to 250 meters, enabling clear monitoring even in total darkness. From highways to factories, you can maintain 24/7 coverage without blind spots. It also includes a built-in dehumidifier and IP68 rated waterproof and dustproof design, ensuring long-term stable operation regardless of weather conditions. Be it high temperatures, humidity, or dust, the ACTi camera resists them all, guaranteeing all-weather reliability. Click the link below to see how you can save costs and boost monitoring efficiency. Upgrade your security system to the next level.